Hi guys, happy Sunday and happy new week to everyone watching this video, and welcome back to my channel for this week's CVS deals video. I am so happy to have you all here, and if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I don't have CoverGirl's deals in this video, but we received a $5 mystery offer that will attach to both CoverGirl and Revlon in case you need that. So let's get into this week's deal. The first deal I have here will be on Colgate toothpaste, and the Colgate Max Fresh is part of the buy 2 get $4 bag limit of 2, and they're also on sale for $3.99. Picking up 2 will total $7.98. Check your app because we received a $2.50 digital coupon that will apply to 1, and I also have a $2 off 8 Colgate CRT. With the coupon and the CRT, it's going to drop it down to $3.48. Pay that and get $4 back. Then submit your receipt to ShopMeal for $2.50 back on the second Colgate toothpaste. And after the cashback, it will end up making these two products free and a $3.02 moneymaker. The next deal I have here will be the buy 3 get $5 back on Crest toothpaste and also Oral-B toothbrush. If you want to pick up the 3-in-1, it's a little bit cheaper because it's $5.29, but I'll be focusing on the other toothpaste, the 3D white, priced at $5.49. Pick up 2 and also pick up one of the Oral-B toothbrush, priced at $4.99. These 3 items are going to total $15.97. I have a 2 off 8 Crest CRT that will apply to this deal, and I have another $2 Crest CRT that will also apply to this deal. That's 2 CRTs right there that will take off $4. Today we received a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and we have a $2 Crest digital coupon. I think we got that last week or last 2 weeks. In case you've not used yours, it's going to double dip, and we have another $2 for Oral-B that will also double dip as well. With these 3 coupons and the 2 CRTs, it's going to drop it down to $2.97. Pay that and get $5 back, making all 3 items free and a $2.03 moneymaker. The next deal will be on Scope mouthwash. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back, and it's a limit of 2. Picking up 2 priced at $6.99 each is going to total $13.98. We have a $2 digital coupon that will apply to 1. I don't have any coupon for the second one, but the same 2 off 8 CRT that I showed you guys earlier on can also apply to this deal. With that CRT and the coupon, it's going to drop it down to $9.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making both products $5.98 or $2.99 each. If you do not have the 2 of 8 but you have the 4 of 20, you can combine these 2 deals together, and the total for these 5 products will be $29.95. Using the 4 of 20 and all the coupons and CRTs I mentioned earlier on, is going to drop it down to $12.95. You pay that and you get $5 back for the buy 3 get 5 and $4 back for buying 2 of the Scope mouthwash. It will end up making all 5 products $3.95 or 79 cents each. The next deal I have will be the spend 15 get $5 back on L'Oreal Cosmetics, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up one of the mascaras priced at $14.99. That's within the 98% rule. If you still have the $3 instant CRT we received last week and you printed yours out, you can use it with this deal. And we received another $3 instant CRT today. Check your app. We have a $2 coupon that will apply to this as well. And I have a 3 of 15 L'Oreal Cosmetics CRT because this is $14.99. It's within the 98% rule. And also in my email, I received another $2 off L'Oreal mascara that will also apply to this deal. With all these CRTs and 1 coupon, is going to drop it down to $1.99. Pay that and get $5 back, making this mascara free and a $3.01 moneymaker. The next deal is on Gillette Shave Foam. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and it's part of the buy 2 get $3 back, and this is a limit of 1. Picking up 2, 1 will be full price and the second one will be $2.20. Both of them are going to total $6.59. I scanned this product on my app and it's not attaching to any deal, but this would be a good item to add to a 10 of 70 or 20 of 100. Pay the $6.59 if you're doing it by itself and get $3 back, making both of them $3.59 or $1.80 each. The next deal is on Skintimate disposable razor. They're on sale for $7.99, and when you spend $15, you get $5 back. Picking up two, you can choose whichever one you like. It's going to total $15.98. We all received a $4 digital coupon that will apply to the men or the women depending on which one you choose. But since I have a 3 of 15 Skintimate CRT, I'll be showing the deal with this one. Picking up two and using the coupon and the CRT is going to drop it down to $8.98. Pay that and get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for a $4 back on the second item. And after the cashback, it's going to make both products free and a 2-cent money maker. The next deal is the buy two get $4 back on any Clairol hair color, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up two of the ones priced at $9.49 each. It's going to total $18.98. Today we received a 6 off 2 Clairol digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 2 Clairol CRT I received last week. And I received another $2 off CRT for these items today. It's going to drop it down to $7.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items just $3.98 or $1.99 each. If you need some Kleenex tissue, they're on sale for 2 for $4.50, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $1 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 is going to total $4.50. Pay that and get $1 back, making both items $3.50 or $1.75 each. Still I have here will be on the Scott Bag Tissue 12 rolls. They are part of the buy 2 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. They're also on sale for $10.79 each. Picking up 2 will total $21.58. We don't have any coupon for this. I couldn't find any in our app, and I cannot print out any coupon from their website. I've tried several times, but if you can, check it out, then adjust your math. Without the coupons, you will pay the $21.58 and get $5 back, making both items $16.58 or $8.29 each. If you have any threshold CRT, this will be a good deal to add to it. The next deal I have here will be the spend 30 get $10 back, and I'll be showing 2 ways to do this deal, and they will be very easy deal. Pick up the Tide detergent, the 146 flow ounces, on sale for $22.99. Add the Downy Unstoppable, on sale for $6.99. These 2 items are going to total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule. We have a $4 digital coupon for the Tide detergent, and for the Downy Unstoppable, we also have a $2 digital coupon that will apply to it. That will be a total of $6. It's going to drop it down to $23.98. Pay that and get $10 back, making both products $13.98 or $6.99 each. Another option to do the spend 30 get $10 back is by picking up the Gain Fireworks or the Downy Unstoppable, on sale for $18.99. I'm showing you guys the Gain because that's the only thing my store have. We don't have the Unstoppable, but if you find the Unstoppable, that will be better because we have a $4 digital coupon that will attach to it. Let's assume you have the Unstoppable. Add it to this deal, and the math I have here will work for you. Add the Tide Pod on sale for $5.49, and also the Gain Flings on sale for $5.49. These 3 items are going to total $29.97, which is within the 98% rule. Using the $4 digital coupon for the Downy Unstoppable, and we also have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Gain Flings, and for the Tide Pod, go to P&G website and print out a $1.50. It's going to drop it down to $22.97. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 3 items $12.97 or $4.32 each. The next deal I have here will be on any Glucerna product. They're on the deal of buy 3 get $8 back. Pick up 3 of the Glucerna mini treats priced at $7.29 each. They are going to total $21.87. In 10 One Smart Sauce, there is a $4 coupon there. I don't have it because I don't buy Smart Sauce. But if you have it, use 3 of those. It's going to drop it down to $9.87. Pay that and get $8 back, making all 3 boxes $1.87 or 62 cents each. But if you don't have the $4 coupon from the 10 One Smart Sauce and you signed up with Glucerna, they normally email coupons. You can print out 3 and use it with this deal. The next deal is on Hall cough drops. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. And these are the 20 to 30 counts or the minis 24 counts. This deal is a limit of 1. Pick up 2, 1 will be full price and the second one will be $1.70. The 2 of them are going to total $5.09. In 11-12 Smart Sauce, there is a $1.25 off 2 coupon that you can use with this deal. It's going to drop it down to $3.84. Pay that and get $2 back. That will make both products $1.84 or 92 cents each. The next deal I have here will be on the Kit Kat king size. It's part of the buy 2 get $1 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $4. I don't have any coupon for this, so pick up 2 at $4 for both of them. Pay $4 and get $1 back, making both products $3 or $1.50 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for joining me, and thank you all for all your support, and I'll see you next time.